This is going to blow your mind. San Marzano tomatoes are the secret ingredient your Pico de Gallo's been missing. Hey gardeners, let's talk about the tomato that's going to revolutionize your salsa game, the San Marzano. These beauties aren't just another pretty fruit. They're packed with flavor and have the perfect balance of sweetness and acidity. Growing them is a breeze. They thrive in warm climates and only need a bit of TLC. Just give them some sunshine, water and a sturdy stake, and you'll be rewarded with a bountiful harvest. But the real magic happens in the kitchen. San Marzano tomatoes have a meaty texture and fewer seeds, making your Pico de Gallo less watery and more flavorful. Imagine the satisfaction of picking these vibrant red gems right from your garden and turning them into a fresh, zesty Pico de Gallo that will have everyone asking for seconds. So next time you're planning your garden, make room for San Marzano tomatoes. Your taste buds will thank you.